Happy New Year, everyone, and happy birthday to Bitcoin. Bitcoin worth 1 billion leaves Coinbase as institution for by its Genesis block day. Do you know where your Bitcoin keys are? Bitcoin rallies above 34,000 US dollar and Ethereum smashes 900 US dollar. Bitrist to delist privacy coins like Monero, Dash, and Zcash. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch this video until the end if you like this kind of content. So let's get into it. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Crypto Guy. Bitcoin is totally going insane right now. You can see Bitcoin is trading about 33,000, and if you see that Bitcoin almost hit all-time high about 35,000, that can be a possible blow off top or not. We are going to watch in this session, and I'm gonna tell you that today is happy birthday to Bitcoin. Happy birthday Bitcoin. 3 January 2009 the Bitcoin network came into existence. The genesis block of Bitcoin, block number 0, had a reward of 50 Bitcoin. Embedded in the Coinbase of this block was the text, the Times Chancellor on the brink of second bailout for banks. Another tweet for Dan held happy birthday Bitcoin on January 3rd, 2009. Satoshi released Bitcoin to the world. Bitcoin gives humankind our best shot at freedom. That's true. The purpose of this video, the purpose of this channel, and the purpose why I am in this crypto because of financial freedom. And I also hope the same thing for you guys as well. Okay guys, now we have Bitcoin US dollar 1 day chart, and here you can see that I have made this ascending wedge, and actually this is a bearish pattern, but this is bull run. This is Bitcoin bull run, and this kind of bull run the world have not seen at all. And here you can see that I was telling you in my last video that if we go and break up and we settle down on this rising wedge, and we are just sitting right now and we are going above, so we almost hit like 35,000, and now we are coming back and testing 33,000 again. This is very bullish, and this is a pullback, and this is time to buy Bitcoin if you are dollar cost average, because people are thinking that there can be a blow off top. It can go until 50,000 and then come to again 30,000 and 20,000, which was all-time high of the last year, and still that's gonna be too much for a common person to accumulate. So if you are waiting for a correction, that may never come. But I also want to show you something, that sometimes Bitcoin is so bullish that technical analysis doesn't mean anything. Here is 1 week chart, and here you can see it's totally parabolic. I mean, this is a straight line. You can see the mouse is going like this, the line is going like this, and RSI is on the top about 92%, which is one of the most overbought which have seen in the last one, was also 90%. This is even more than that. So even if we get the correction under 70, 80, and we can go back up. If we go on seeing on 1 day chart, you can see that this is where I'm thinking about that it can come under 32,000. If we go on 4 hour chart, we can see that we have been a little bit slightly come down. This is totally normal. People are taking profit. I also took profit, and I also suggest you guys to take profit on your longs. If you have been holding some portfolio, you also have to take profit. First of all, you have to know what is your holding portfolio and what is your trading portfolio. Holding portfolio, you don't sell until 50,000 or 100,000. You have to make the decision of that. I also made the decision that I'm not going to sell anything until 100,000. But this time, if you are also having 5% or 10% from your holding portfolio using in trading portfolio, you also have to remember to take profit, because if you're not taking profit, these are just the number on your laptop screen. So if we talk about 4 hour chart, I think it can easily come and retest 31,800, and if we go and touch 20 weekly moving average, that would be 31,500, and it looks very bullish. RSI going down, that's a good thing. It's a very healthy pullback, no worry about this. 3 hour chart, we can go on the 31,800. On 1 hour chart, if you can see that we have been going up about 35,000 almost, which is all-time high for Bitcoin. And happy birthday to Bitcoin. I am very happy, and also all the other guys who have been holding Bitcoin have to be a reason to be happy today. Now we are just going down and giving a sideways movement, which is totally fine. So if we go, our 2 hour chart is already touched the next resistance which will be about 31,500, but I would be looking for a long position to go again in about 31,500. I think that would be a good long position and already took my profit. Hopefully you guys also did. Guys, so okay, now we have Ethereum US dollar chart and Ethereum is doing amazing. I mean, whenever Bitcoin goes up or have a leg up, after that Ethereum moves, and that's what actually is going. And look at the RSI, it's about something 88%. If you guys haven't followed me on Twitter, this is my Twitter account. You can follow me here at Crypto Yasser 26, and here I have already double up my money that what I have invested. I already got actually I on 50% longest, and actually I went until 150%, and then I came outside. And this is also a funny thing I like to show. They don't know I just made their anniversary since I got on this bus. I mean, this is crazy, guys. Don't forget to take the profit. This is 1 hour chart of 1 hour. Ethereum is too bullish. There is no technical analysis. Next stop will be 1000 US dollar, but we can easily come and retest will be 840. That would be more make a sense. But look at the RSI, guys. I mean, I'm so excited today. I mean, you can guys can judge from my voice that now it's 86 RSI. If we go and check on 3 hour chart, RSI is over 88, and look at this. This is beautiful. I mean, this is just amazing. I mean, the people who have bought Ethereum at 100 US dollar definitely enjoying something. I remember I bought Ethereum last year when it was a bearish market about 100 to 200 US dollar, and now I'm enjoying it. But I also took a profit. I went out with my family, have a good food and dinner, and that was a treat from my side to my family. And I think this is what you should guys also do. On 4 hour chart, if you can see that it can come back until 800, that will be totally normal, normal correction. Even 800 US dollar Ethereum is too high, and it can definitely go up to 1000 as well. So be careful, and if you want to go for long, I think you should put a long here and watch for a little bit correction and then jump into it. Here we have some Twitter. There are some interesting tweets whenever the market is too bullish, and this is my account. If you want me to follow, please follow on Twitter as well, guys. I will definitely appreciate, but don't forget to like and subscribe my video. And here you can see like what's going on stamp LON and wick 2 32,000, about $800 lower than Coinbase. I mean, book this. I mean, thin, the air is so thin at the moment because there is no resistance, no supports, and Bitcoin is just riding above like this. And even in exchanges you can see a difference of about almost 1000. I remember like Bitcoin had just did, if you go on 1 day chart, this candle was almost like 4000 wick, almost like 4000 candle wicks. I mean, that's insane. Here is another dip. Bigger dips are for buying for clarity. Yesterday I mentioned, but I was not referring to this chart. And here you can see that what I was telling you guys, that this is first is disbelief, then the second is hope, third is optimism, fourth is belief, five is thrill. I mean, everybody is thrill at the moment. Aerophia, that complacency, anxiety, denial, anger, panic, depression, sold. But if you are holding this, you are the guys, you make something. There is an interesting chart I found it on Twitter that can be a possible blow off top about 34, 35,000. So keep an eye on this. Let's go to some crypto news, and this is the first I would like to tell. Bitcoin worth 1 billion leaves Bitcoin. Coinbase as institution for mobile. I mean, on-chain data shows big movie continues to chase Bitcoin amid the bull run, the sign of institution catching the FOMO bug, because more and more institute want to come, want to buy, and want to sell. Another insane coin went outflow, 35,000 Bitcoin. I mean, this is a lot. It's Genesis block day. Do you know where your Bitcoin keys are? Today is happy birthday of Bitcoin. I told you that it's been almost like 2009 was the first year when Satoshi Nakamoto have done their first Genesis mining and got the reward of 50 Bitcoin. And you have to, please don't forget to put your Bitcoin and Ethereum on a ledger. This is your holding portfolio and only trade what you want to afford to lose, and you can put it on exchanges. Okay, so now we have another exciting news. As I told you guys that XRP was the first one to delist from Coinbase and Binance and other big exchanges, and now Bittrex is going to delist the privacy coin. I mean, can the privacy coin are be the next to go off like Monero, Dash, and Zcash? I mean, these are one which people are known about for privacy. And if you go and see about where are the, and you can see that what's happening to them. I mean, Monoro, you can see that after this news is already been down for 16%. I mean, everything is going up, but Monoro is coming down, which is very bad for privacy, and I think that can be the end of privacy, or it can definitely give a big dump. And look at the Dash. Dash is already been down for 18%, guys. 18%. I mean, the people who are holding big bags of Dash and Monoro. I mean, the one time I was fan of Monoro, but I think you have to be careful because it's a privacy coin, and Bittrex is the first one to go into delist it, so you have to be very careful, like, because they're gonna delist it, and that can be a very bad thing. And I told you from a technical standpoint, Dash privacy functionality is no greater than Bitcoin. And this is a tweet which I'm talking about. The XMR, ZEC, and Dash market will be removed on Friday, 15th of January. So if you guys are holding any bag of XRME, ZAC, and Dash, I will definitely suggest to convert it into Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT. Here you can see about Zcash is a little bit up at the moment, but still look at the all-time high was like almost 1,000, and now it's been only 50 or 60 US dollar, which is not nice for Zcash holders. And definitely my advice for you guys will be, if you are holding any of these kind of cryptocurrency, you should be very careful, and you should turn it or convert it into Bitcoin or USDT and wait for a dip for Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, when we are talking about Bitcoin is down a little bit, I mean, this is totally normal. I mean, 1,000 candle, 500 US dollars is totally normal. Look, we're just sitting above 2 hour 20 weekly moving average, and we are giving this a resistance at the moment. And if we go up, definitely we are going up more, but if we go down, I already told you about my bullish and bearish scenario. So I think that's all for today, guys. If you haven't seen my last videos, you should go and check my other videos as well, and Femex tutorial as well, if you want to long and short this crazy bull market. So until that, take care, keep buying Bitcoin, do some trading, have some profit, and bye bye.